Welcome to Brain Vision.
Chemistry. The first assumption we can make is that we have no input or consumption or generation of carbon monoxide after detection of the gas leak. So the general balanced equation can be written as accumulation equals negative of the output. So that's just some intro information. And so we can determine the initial concentration for the equation is the mole fraction of CO2 where X at T is equal to 0 is 0.0100. And then we can solve for the desired expression, that is TR, where T R is equal to 2.0 times 10 to the 3 meters cubed over V dot P. In the third part, we can calculate to reduce the purge time. Laber leaves at a rate of 1,400 meters cubed per hour. And so if the room composition is not uniform, then some parts may still have higher concentrations of carbon monoxide. And so a step that we could use to combat this is to use an artificial air supply. However, this might not be feasible, so the room should be purged for a longer amount of time than absolutely necessary.